today? 7:30. Good morning. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. This week on Instagram, I asked you guys what you wanted to see. I had you guys leave some comments on one of my posts and said I'm gonna be picking a random person to win a preset pack. So if you guys want to go enter that little mini giveaway, all you have to do is go on my Instagram, leave a video request, and you're entered to win. But one of the comments that had a lot of thumbs up, and I've also had other people ask for this, is kind of just like a day in the life of a new puppy mom. So I showed Luma in my what I got for Christmas video. I didn't actually get her for Christmas. We just got her around the holiday time, so I showed her. She's being really insane. We're actually about to take her to the vet, so I thought today would be a fun day to just kind of film like everything that we do with her in a day, and she seriously has a lot of energy right now. It's about 9:30. We actually need to leave literally like right now. Yesterday when I called the vet, they told us that they are probably gonna need a pee sample. This is gonna be impossible. I don't know how we're gonna get that. Yeah, we're gonna hop in the car and go to the vet. Luma, Lumi, Luma. Okay, Luma's getting weighed. How much do you think she weighs? 8 pounds?
I actually come in at about 8 pounds.
I think she weighs 7. We weighed her last week just like on our scale, which isn't as accurate, and she was like 6.5. And the first time we brought her in, she was like 5.
Just sounds good.
All right, we're back. I thought they were gonna get the urine sample at the doctor's office. They gave us this to catch her pee. So what's the plan? Am I gonna try and do this, or am I holding the leash?
You're gonna hold the leash, and I'm
okay, we have her on our leash. Hurry, hurry. Babe, get it, get it.
Good girl.
Oh, good. Wait, that was so easy. Come here. You wanna run around? Come here. I'll let you off. Come here, come here, come here. Luma. I want to show her her harness. This is our DIY Doggy Gate because we don't always like her to be able to go over here if like we're not over there.
Kind of big on her.
Yeah, it's a little big, but she's growing so fast.
Is it tugs on her this way, so when she's walking, it like forces tension on it, and it's not actually loose, and she can't get out.
She's growing so quick. Oh, we didn't even say what her weight was.
6.7 pounds. That's my birthday. That's how I remember. Almost 7 pounds.
She's growing, so we didn't want to get a harness that like fit perfect, and then it only fits for like a month. So this is also another regular occurrence. No! She also just barely started being able to like run faster than me. You are so freaking naughty. Ha! Are you hiding? Nope. Okay, so the next thing I need to do today is just pick up the living room and kitchen. Then I'm gonna shower and get ready for the day. Anyways, I'm gonna clean up.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much.
Okay guys, so I'm now showered and ready for the day. I just posted on Instagram and asked you guys what questions you wanted me to answer. I feel like I've answered most of like the frequently asked questions about Luma and just like having a puppy. And when we did our first video where we introduced her, we talked about a lot of things too. And on the vlog channel, I've talked about like how we potty trained her and stuff like that. I'll like quickly talk about that just in case you guys haven't seen that. I don't want to like repeat myself too much, but I know not everyone watches my vlog channel. Are you sleeping? Come here. So I guess if you guys haven't seen any of my vlog channel videos, we like obviously showed her in this video already, but I will kind of reintroduce her a little bit. This is Luma. Can you smile for a thumbnail? So she is about 12 weeks old. She's a mini golden doodle. We got her, I think she was like 7 weeks old. So we got her on like November like 26th or 27th or something. So it was right after Thanksgiving. It's been about 6 weeks since we got her. So overall, she's been a really good puppy. I feel like she picked up on potty training pretty quick. She hasn't had that many accidents in the house, especially in the past like couple of weeks now that she's like really getting it. Really quick, what we decided to do with her is bell train her. So basically we just have some bells that are tied to the back door over there. It almost touches the ground so she can reach it with her paw. So when we first brought her home, we would take her out pretty much every 30 minutes. We took her out really frequently, and we would just like carry her over to the door, hit the little bell with her paw, and then it would obviously make noise. And so then right after that, we would take her outside. She'd go to the bathroom. Over those couple weeks, she learned that if she hits the bell, it means that she goes outside and goes to the bathroom. Sometimes she rings it just to go out and play. There's no avoiding that as far as I know. Overall, I think the method is like really good. She rarely has accidents inside. That is amazing because literally the first few days we did not take our eyes off of her because I didn't want her to pee anywhere. Yeah, so that was potty training. I have a bunch of questions. I'm gonna do them kind of just like rapid fire. First question, why did you pick her specific breed? I wanted a mini golden doodle because one, that's what my mom has, and I love her dog so much. And she also doesn't shed. It was really important to me to get a dog that doesn't shed, and I just like the size. Like, they're small, but then they're kind of big enough that you can like play around with them still. Someone said the worst parts of having a dog. I think the worst part is that we just like can't really leave her. Like, we'll leave her for a little bit, like a couple hours at a time if we need to like go to the grocery store or we're like going out to eat or something. We have a little camera so we can like watch her and make sure that she's all good. And as she gets older, we'll be able to leave her for longer, but I feel like that is like stressful to me. Like, if I get on the camera and see that she's like barking and crying, then I am like, okay, we have to go home right now. So I think that, and then just ever having to clean up any of like her accidents if she goes inside, that's never fun. Daily routine, what time does she wake up? What time does she go to bed? She usually wakes up, it kind of depends what time she goes to bed. Yesterday we went to bed so early, so she went to bed so early. It was like 9:30. So she woke up at 7:30. So if she goes to bed a little bit later, she'll usually wake up a little bit later, but most of the time it's probably like around 8. So it's actually really nice. She also doesn't really bark in the night anymore to like go out and go to the bathroom. When she was littler, she like couldn't hold her bladder as long, and so we would have to get up in the night and like take her outside. Her daily routine, she kind of just plays and then sleeps. She doesn't really have like certain times that she like naps or anything, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's her routine. Someone said, how big will she get? So we think she's gonna be around 15 pounds. The reason I think that is because my mom told me that she heard that however big a dog is at 6 weeks, or no, at 12 weeks, they are estimated to be like around double that number when they're fully grown. Luma! I don't know if that's true. You guys can leave in the comments down below if it is, but she is 12 weeks now and she's like 6.7 pounds or whatever, like they said. So we think she's gonna be like around 15 pounds, which I actually think is like the perfect size. Someone said, would you ever consider getting another dog? I don't know. I don't think so. I feel like she has like dog friends. Like, Parker's parents have dogs. My mom has a dog. My dad also has a dog. So she has like plenty of puppies that she can be friends with. So I don't really know if we ever need another dog. I've had a couple requests of people saying, can you test out like cool, weird puppy toys? And I actually just ordered some. So I'm gonna be doing another video on that. A couple people are asking, does she sleep in the bed with you guys at night or in a kennel? No, she does not sleep in a bed. We are crate training her, so she does sleep in her kennel at night. I haven't really talked about that because so many people have opinions and I just don't care. Luma sleeps in her kennel at night. She goes in there, she likes it, she has her own little space, and then when we leave her during the day, she doesn't go in there. I think that's how you're supposed to crate train, is you like always put them in there if you leave, but I just can't do it. My heart, I feel like it's too sad. So she has a little like puppy playpen area with like her bed and toys and food and stuff like that. I feel like this camera is getting too bright again. A lot of people asking if she's ruined anything yet. She has ruined Parker's, I don't know if it's Xbox or PlayStation, but he has like the little headphones with the microphone on them. She chewed through the cord, but it was an accident. She had like another toy in her mouth. She was like leaning on Parker and he had them on, and she just happened to like chomp down on her toy and the cord was just in there, and Parker said it was just like a one solid bite. Like, she wasn't like gnawing on it and it broke. She just like chomped down and it ripped. So she has ruined one thing. Hey! Literally, as she's chewing on my pillows. Bad puppy. She does try to chew on my pillows a little bit, so luckily I have 2 of these, so she gets in trouble when she does that. Okay, guys, this is the worst lighting ever, but I have another one of these pillows so I don't get too stressed. All right, that is all for the Q&A. Do you want to show them your tricks? Okay, so these are some of her favorite treats, so I broke it up. All right, ready? Hey, Luma, you want a treat? Sit. Good girl. Can you shake? I can do this with one hand. Usually I would shake with the hand the camera's in. All right, she already laid down. So whenever she learns a new trick, usually like we'll keep doing it. Like, I'll be like, hey, sit, now shake, now shake, now shake, now lay down, now lay down. So sometimes she'll just like automatically do that thing even when we haven't told her. So I never know whether I should give her a treat or not because I didn't tell her to do that, but she did it. So she's learning, but like I didn't tell her to do it yet. So I don't know if she's really understanding. All right, let's do it again. Can you sit? Good girl. Lay down. Good girl. You're so smart. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my gosh. Get off. Get down. Can you sit? Sit. I didn't say lay down yet. Get back up. Luma. No. She has too much energy for this right now. Shake. Good girl. Look, go get it. Bring it back. Alright, it's like an hour later. Oh, freak. She woke up. Can gonna show you guys she's taking a nap. She takes like a few naps a day. I don't really know how many. This is usually what we do if she's like on the furniture. So she has her little special blanket laid out so that I can protect my new couch at least a little bit. But she's so sweet. Luma, do you need to go potty? You gonna show him how you ring the bell? Good girl. Okay, have fun.